hem koy tu Amjarak me nej harmon Do këtë këmë u pësyt e tu Atë kiven zemër me mkru Tu me flejt në shtatë shë Ti kur një, tash si kur s'një Kjem ka thonë mos i besa Se kom di që s'lej kur gjë Besova, në ty besova Ke thonë që s'jam si aj Po njejtë në lullë ndova Ke thonë që nuk je si aj Dole ma si se aj Ke thonë që në lëndën si aj Si aj Ke thonë që nuk je si aj Dole ma si se aj Ke thonë që në lëndën si aj Si aj Kur si në lele Dashin kambja po hele Kanda tjera si në lele Nisa loba hele Wake up in the morning, you're not on mine Got me feeling alive, got me feeling alive Wake up in the morning when you're not on mine Got me feeling alive, got me feeling alive 몇 번 모이면 그게 상이 보내자마자 더 높아 보여요 회색 건물이 조용히 따라 저 눈길 see eye 떨리만 see say eye 계속 숨는다 see eye see eye 해본지 눈길 see eye 떨리만 see say eye 계속 숨는다 see eye see eye 보지 말래
al club con el combo, rápido la vi lejos. Se pintaba los labios y la copa como espejo. Se acercó poco a poco y yo queriendo que me baile. Vete pa' Canarias sin el equipaje, sin viaje de vuelta. Por la isla te va a dar una vuelta. Bebé, solo avisa. El sábado teteo, el domingo misa. Estoy a ver si me garantiza que te me pegas como quien graba con B-Side. Salir a las amigas del party y ella se quedó mirándonos a los ojos, no al reloj. Y nos fuimos en Uber al apartamento en privado. Me pedía que le diera un concierto. Le dije que por menos de un beso no canto. Y nos fuimos en una, empezamos a la 1. Y con la nota rápido nos dieron las 3. Perreamos toda la noche y nos dormimos a las 10. Ando rezándola yo para repetirlo otra vez. Quédate, que la noche sin ti duele. Tengo en la mente la pose y todos los gemidos. Que ya no quiero nada que no sea contigo. Quédate, que la noche sin ti duele. Tengo en la mente la pose y todo lo que hicimos. Que ya no quiero nada que no sea contigo. Que voy a ver mi
Cinco do 5, moda e beleza? Olha na Shopee.
Já é possível utilizar um celular simples para poder criar IA e conectar no WhatsApp das empresas e
When you're tired, when you're lonely, you can just reach out and on.
No, I'll be there. I'll help you weather the storm.
Us together, nothing's ever felt more like home.
No, I'll be there.
You will never be alone.
It's your love tonight. All I need is your love tonight. All I need is your love tonight. All I need is your love tonight. In that moment when you're feeling like there's nothing at all.
Reach out to me, know that I'll answer the call. Us together, nothing's ever felt more like home.
No, I'll be there.
You will never be alone.
All I need is your love tonight. 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 All I need is your love
What's there? Interesting. 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 Waiting. Waiting. Waiting for it. Soon. Might be a buy soon. It's gonna set up for a buy. Break and retest there. Engulfing candle. Could've got an entry there. Come down more. I want it to come down. I want it to come down more. Setting up for a buy soon. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait a bit. Soon. Broke. My trading on it. Bro, I'm so new. I barely logged in this. Shows you how much I log in this. Fuck, man. It would go up. I didn't get in. I'm not even heavy enough on this trade. I need more. I need to put more on this trade. It's not big enough. It's fucking small. I need to put more money in the account, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I need to put more money in this account. I only put like $2,000. Probably put like 10,000 max for this trade. Okay, it's gone up a bit. What's this at now? 9,000. Oh, it was like 6,000 the other day, so that's
Escolha plano que se adeque às suas necessidades.
Yeah, like I'm long ETH, but I need to make it a bigger trade. Who knows where price will go, but I'm swinging ETH longs. I am gonna. I should have done it last night. I wanted to make it at least like a $10,000 to $20,000 trade. So I'm gonna need to. Liquidation price is 1,300. Like, I'm not risking a lot. So like my liquidation price, I'm gonna add more to this account. Like I wanted to, that was my plan. I mean, if I try to swing it, who knows? Long term, try to hold it to 4,000, but realistically it'd probably go to like 2,500. That's only 4,000 profit, but I'm on a small account. Let's see how I manage this trade. Maybe hopefully I don't have to push my liquidation price down. Put it at 1,300, but if I ever have to bring it down to like 800, 1,000, I could, because I don't have a lot of money in this account. So if I fund like $3,000 more, $2,000 more, it would push my liquidation price down good amount. I'm buying it as if I'm buying, like, it's low right now, so I'm buying it like I'm swinging it. Hopefully the monthly doesn't flip down in the wick. Like ETH's a good swing from, I mean, I was getting in the 1700s or lower. It's a good swing. It could try to swing out of that. Gold might be a buy soon. It's setting up, I think. Gonna wait a bit. Gonna wait a bit. Might set up for a buy soon. I just had this break of structure up. So ideally in this situation you'd want this low to hold. It could kind of try to trade back into the low and bounce up. Again, like bounces around there. I think like it could try to flip here or go deeper and make the move up. If it hold, like there's a low here, we broke up, so you might, like, we're looking at this high here. We did just take that high out technically there, so it's like if we're looking at bullish right now, it'd be seeing this low here. We broke up, we took the high out, so we're getting a pullback now. This pullback could bounce or come down and bounce. Two options kind of, or one bigger option maybe from the looks of it. What time is it? Higher unemployment. Higher employment claims today. Why does that news? Oh, the VPN. Wait, oh no. No. Yeah. Fucking VPN. Let me close by a bit. I'll look for buys on. I'm gonna be looking for buys on gold. I'm gonna take a buy. If it pulls back, I'm gonna look for different entries. So I like gold for the buys. I'm gonna look for a buy on the GLD. Kind of in this pullback. If it pulls down, I'll take different entries. I like gold for buys. Maybe news takes it down into a buy, but I do like gold for buys setting up. Like buys, look, you have that break of structure. I like the way the price action looks is bullish here. Like if you have like trained eyes, you might be able to see. There could be 2 attempts here, and see if it sticks. Like I'm not aiming for a TP. Like maybe the market comes up to here, maybe it goes higher. I want to see how price reacts with what's in front of me in the next short bit of time. It could go. I'm gonna watch the trade and see how it reacts. You know, it could come up to the high. It could take out the highs. It's kind of watching it as like when I enter a trade, I like to kind of monitor it for the first 30 minutes, hour, especially if I'm scalping. It could come down to the low, like 15, 12. So ideally, like stop loss. Let's say you're entering below the low. If that gets stopped out, there's probably going to be another entry. It's like a secondary entry. I'm going to enter a trade on gold for buys right now. Right here. On this pullback. I want to see if this low holds. The low that we have here. I want to see if this low holds. Microsoft surpasses Apple. Let's see what happens. Like it might be a pip and dip. Like we could always have a TP and be like, yeah, let's enter here and target here, and then market might give a good reaction here that you don't need. Like we'll see how it monitors over the next 30 minutes to an hour. I mean, the setup that's here, we got the low, you got the high, so it's seeing if the market shifts out of that, something like this. For now, you might get some bounces here, like some scalping moves before it tries to stick for a bigger move. If it's gonna make a bigger move, you could probably get even some scalping reactions on this pullback. Maybe some bounces, but that's all I see right now. We were live in London session like hours ago. It was a good session. And that's why I like see that trade we closed in London. Everybody's asking, should I hold or where's the take profit? I was like, I'm getting out. Just taking what the market gave for the moment. It's like if we were sitting there, like we took buys in London, if we were sitting there like let's target up here, let's target here, it would have never hit the target, and you might have been just holding on to a trade that never hit the target, still trying to hold that trade or something maybe. So yeah, we were live in London. We took buys, got out. We were live yesterday morning. Took a buy, got out yesterday morning, so it doesn't have to always be like looking for like a huge take profit swing. I'd say stop loss below this low if you're looking for buys. I'm in buys. There's a good sell there. I'm in buys. If this low doesn't hold, there could be a recovery setup. Like if you were live with me 5-6 hours ago or so, I did say if it doesn't hold that low, it's gonna come to 3210, 3200. It almost hit 3200, really close this morning. I know last night I was saying watch out, it could drop to like 3210, 3200. So yeah, with where the market's showing right now, you ideally this low, like we're coming to test this low. Right, this low, we're coming to test this low. The market could stay above it, or it could trade into it a bit and still make the move. Like that's what the market's showing us right now in terms of like a setup. I got an entry at 32.15. I got an entry at 32.15, 32.19, 32.18, 32.16, 32.17, 32.21, 32.22. So let's see if this goes up. I got some entries down there. I scaled in this bitch. Come on, give me a good reaction. I can maybe pip and dip and try to re-enter. I got some high entries, but I got entry at 32.15, 32.16, 32.17, 32.19. I'm in profit. I could close this right now and re-enter. I could literally close this and try to look for a re-entry. What is an A+ setup? Anything could be. Like it just whatever you're reacting to. This could be. Look at this. This is a break of structure. Like, do you see what I see here? You have a bullish break of structure after all these lows are swept. So this could be a good setup. Like look what's in front of us. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. I even said 32.15 before it hit 32.15. What do you know? A quick reaction there. Like you might be able to get some scalps. So you could, if you got any low entries there, you could quickly exit them and try to re-enter. Come on, give me that push again. It's a little reaction there. Like I said, it'll probably do some bounces, some scalps like that until if it's gonna stick, you know, stick for the bigger drive. Might do those little bounces like it just, you know how I hit that, see how I hit that 215 and it just jumped up real quick, $6-7 there. Might get some of that action for a bit until it makes a drive, a bigger drive. Might see some of that action, but the low, so when you're looking at price like this, you're looking at the low that we came from, right? You're looking at, okay, here's where we came from. Unless you were watching that price action there, literally live, you would have had to be quick enough to literally see there's a bullish accumulation there on the 1 minute. Like you would have had to be watching price there live, and you might have been able to literally see that bullish accumulation on the 1 minute, right? You would have had to be watching that, otherwise, because look how fast that is, right? That's literally a 1 minute chart. Boom, break a structure, bullish, retest, goes up. It's the same setup right now, just on a bigger chart. like down in here. If you look down in here, yeah, so you might get some ping pong reactions for a bit until it tries to decide if it's holding the low or not. I was just up $600 there, and now it's pulling back. So things like that, little reactions could happen. You might get some scalps before it tries to like sustain a move. But if you're looking at this low, right? The setup that's in front of you is break a structure bullish here, right? Now we're coming back to retest that to potentially go make a new high. Maybe come back to test the highs. Okay. So ideally, you have to understand where the market, like, okay, this is where the market, this is the frame. If I was to take a picture of this, a framework, put it in a box, right? This is the framework right here. So it's like I'm working off of that framework. I know this low is my anchor point. It's below me. So I understand anywhere between now and that low, the market could go and still go up and have a bullish framework. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does, because now I'm up $1,000. Oh yeah. All right, folks. Pip and dip now. Now we're gonna pip and dip. This I went hard. I gotta exit some of this because I put too many positions. Yeah. I gotta close these ones that are like minus $10 right now. This little minus $11 guy out. Minus $15 out. Yeah. Mother suckers. See, it's gonna do that. It's gonna push, drive, accumulate. It's accumulating. It's gonna play ping pong like that. So if you get a maximum point of profit, you could try to take it. Like you could try to take profits when it does those little pushes up. Because right now it's kind of playing ping pong, fluctuating up and down. So it'll drive up and it'll make pullbacks, drive up. It might be setting up for a bigger move. Hopefully you guys caught it. Did you guys catch it? Did you guys catch it? I did say I was buying. Come on, anyone? Anyone? There we go. There we go, Donald. Where's Donald at? Donald, you here? Where's Skids? Where's Skids at? Skids better be here, right? Honestly, it's gonna, these pullbacks are big, yo, like, damn. Come on. Let's see, maybe I'm right about the bull. I see a bullish break of structure there, right? Do we hold the 25? Are we trying to get back above 25? Are we trying to close above 25? See that? Ooh, right when I said 25, it just pops above 25. I'm up $1,578, guys. 1,642. I might close. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna take some I'm gonna close some of these positions, guys, because that was a quick move. It was generous. Yeah, just in case it pulls back into the range, could literally maybe find a re-entry. Close some trades. Like keep one entry, maybe keep a runner, keep like one runner. Close that shit out. Close that shit. And then maybe find a re-entry. Keep one entry. Like keep one small entry to swing. Keep one small entry to swing, and then we might find a re-entry if it pulls down. If anything, yeah. Yep. You close right now. Like close some partials right now as it's making this push up, giving us some momentum here, and then maybe we'll find a re-entry. Unless you got bigger balls than me this morning, you could try to hold everything, but I just closed like $1,400, fam. Still have one more entry. Oh, that was snazzy. Look at that. 2 sessions in a row, fam. London session, New York session. Some fucking boxers here. What the fuck? I'm literally up like 100 pips on this entry. Yeah, these pullbacks are damn like $2 pullbacks. Just $2-3 pullbacks, you know. I was up $1,600 and I went to like 1,100 and I was like, you know, and then it went back. So I was like, barf it. Fucking Donald. I just take, like, I don't, when I enter a trade, when I see a setup, I'm entering what I see. Like, I don't have to predict where price is gonna go tomorrow. I can predict the next 30 minutes. Like, I can look at the 4 hour, I can look at the 1 hour, I can look at the 30 minute and be like, okay, these are lining up bullish. I don't have to sit here and predict where the next price action is going to go for 4 to 8 hours. I can literally predict the next 30 minutes, 1 hour, and be like, okay, that's that. Let me react on that. Like, let me react on what I see, right? I don't have to sit here and be like, okay, TP up here. Like, I can see a setup and be like, the market's going to react bullish here. Like, now's the moment. Like, if I want to get in this thing, it might be a moment to get in right now and react to what I see, right? With price, like, stop loss. That's kind of the only thing I said. Like, if I'm going to put a stop loss, it's down here, right? I trust my setups enough, like, because I'm trading the framework of price, right? Like, I'm trusting this low to hold. I'm trusting the low to hold, right? I'm like, okay, this low's here. This is what price is showing me. I got to trust that low to hold. Price could go as far back to the low as possible. I got to trust it to make that move, right? I don't always got to think and sit like, okay, where's take profit going to be? Boom, boom, boom. I might have missed the entry if I was thinking about all that, right? Like, I can sit here and predict, like, I have more of a likelihood of predicting where price is going to go in the next 30 minutes to an hour than I have of predicting the next 12 hours or 8 hours, right? It's easier to predict what's going to happen, like, in a short time, like right here, right now, rather than, oh, where is this going to go to 50? Is this going to go to 3,400? No, like, right now, it's likely to react. Let's see what happens in the next 30 minutes. Let's see what happens in the next hour, and we could be done for the day. Sometimes it's going to give you more. Sometimes it's going to give you less on that movement that you're looking for in the day by day at certain times. But over time, it doesn't matter if it's a big move. So, like, there's going to be bigger moves at days. There's going to be smaller moves on days. It's about your risk. It comes down to just getting better at the setups, taking action and getting better at reacting to things, and then eventually you put on more risk, or your account size grows and you're able to risk more with a bigger account size, something like that. Comes down to risk. More money, or you can risk on a trade. I have an appetite for risk. Yeah, see it pulled. That's why I got it. I was like, you know what, let's. So I have one entry. It's literally coming right back to the entry. I'm up $2.25, $7. Now I'm minus $12, minus $10, minus 16, minus, yeah. It just pulled back. See, that's why I was like, close that shit. You gotta respect the move real quick. Like, it could set up for another entry, maybe. But see, that's why I said close that thing. I closed all the entries except one. Hopefully you guys were able to close before the pullback. Maybe there's a re-entry. We'll keep an eye on it for a bit. It might go lower. It might dig down a bit lower from the looks of it. It just quickly came back down. Just wait a bit. If I take a re-entry, I'll let you know. I'll let you know real quick. If I take a re-entry, just gotta watch it. It's coming back to test the low. I'll let you know. We're gonna watch it for a bit. Might be a re-entry setting up. Maybe, what time is it? 10:17. Maybe in the next 30. Maybe in the next hour. It happened quick. It reacted quick. Let's see. This is a 30-minute chart, 15-minute chart. This candle is 12 minutes. Yeah, we could wait. We're gonna wait. Watch this. Watch the next like 2 candles. There might be one more signal. I was seeing when this started pulling back. I was like, it's looking like, but it didn't close above 25. So we might have one more setup. We'll see. We're gonna watch it. We might have. It literally might set up for another re-entry soon. Maybe in the next 30 minutes to an hour. It might. It's still a whole. It might be trying to do it again. Back. Yeah, I would wait a bit. Maybe one more soon. That was it. 120. That's the thing with scalping. If you can get, like, if you get that trade in profit and it pushes like momentum, like in and out quick can be good because it can. Look at gold, it can always come back to maybe revisit the setup a lot of times. That 15 area. What's the 1 minute doing? We just had a break, we just had this break up here. Break up. Still see the same thing. Just gonna wait. Just gonna wait. Yeah. I'm gonna wait a bit. Maybe there's a re-entry. Otherwise, it's gonna do those bounces, like bounces, small moves. Look at Bitcoin breaking out. Yeah, that would have been an entry. See right there, quick, could have been a quick little. It's doing those pop like. It's a lot of scalping buys here happening. It's like playing ping pong. I didn't get an entry there. I still have that one entry. I still have one entry that I held. I still have just one entry. It's up 28 bucks. I had 20. I had 32.19. Let's see. Caught a quick scalp on gold. Looks like it can come down more. Silver looks like it's gonna come down more. So my gold could maybe come down more. We had that reaction, but no, wait. Just wait. Remember when I got on and I was like, just wait. Maybe there's something coming because it looks like it's coming back to the low. So looking like it could come down. Looking like it's gonna push. It's like the same setup last night on that 30-minute here rejection candle. If you remember the 30-minute last night, where I was like, it looks like a sell, and then it went into a sell, and then it turned into a buy, and we caught the buy. Wait, if I take, I have a small entry still in, but if I load up again and take another entry, I'll let you know. I'd rather just wait a bit. That's why you don't, when you enter something, you know, like with the way gold moves, like think about that. That just moved, you know, a little bit over $10. This move, the full move, like that's the thing about gold. Like you don't have to always enter every trade with the idea that it's gonna go up. Like these movements are good. If you're gonna trade a currency pair, those movements take a lot longer to happen on a currency pair. Those type of measured movements. If you were to value them in terms of pips, ticks. It just hit 15 again. Yeah, it did. That 15 level seems to be holding. This chart's always messy. Dog with hat. Woof woof. 64 cents. Still could be setting up. Could have grabbed another entry there. Hit that 15 level again. Bounced off of it. Just bounced off of it twice. See? Scalping. It's just kind of scalping momentum right now. Playing ping pong. Like, gold's good for that. Let's wait. Patience is key.
At U-Haul, we know every family moves at their own pace. Hi, Mom. It's starting to snow.
Patience is key. Patience is key. Little bugger. Little bugger. Silver doing. Silver would need, like, look at silver. And then after that, it'd probably go up if it did that. It looks like break a structure there. So it's kind of the same, like it has that low, maybe that low holds, just looking at it to compare. Dollar's pumping right now. Currency pairs melting. Gold's built different. Yeah, right now, like, just gotta wait. I mean, might be some time for this. Bitcoin is having a green day. Tomorrow is non-farm payroll too. Tomorrow we got NFP. Interesting day coming out tomorrow. Fucking gold, eh? Could have grabbed her. Could have grabbed her. Hesitation. Procrastination. Assassination. Hesitation. Yeah, gotta grabbed her there. Looks like it's respecting my analysis and what I see, folks. So maybe some of you guys see what I see. Gotta grab her down there. Let's wait for it to come back down. Alright, if it comes back down again, I'll grab it one more time. Comes back down again, I'll tap her again. We get another, come back down, watch it not come back down ever again. Watch it never come back down now. Oh, it's probably not gonna come back down because I'm saying that. Could have grabbed it there. Hit that 15 again. I still have that one entry at 19, so. Anyone catch a re-entry? I hesitated there. I should have loaded up. I could have loaded up there. That was it. That was the entry right there. That pullback. I'm still holding one entry, but that one and that I said I'm gonna hold, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yep. Yep. That would have been the entry. Oh, it pulled back a bit. See, this thing's just playing ping pong. That's what I mean. Scalping momentum's here. Here you set and forget it, or you catch these little scalps. I should have added more. I'm using a bigger stop loss, yeah. I mean, you kind of have to in this market. Unless you're on the chart and you're using the right candlestick structures. If it pulls back again, I'll maybe grab another entry. If it gives a nice pullback, like it goes red candles again, I'll enter, but that's what I see on the chart right now. Maybe the accumulation sticks. So you can see some accumulation building up. It's going to go for end of the week reversals. It's been dropping all week, so it's going to be Friday reversals more likely. Probably Friday reversals to end the week off. Probably goes up to more, like, the market's been trading down all week. have stocks been going up and recovering? So it's probably like probably a Friday reversal gonna happen. Yeah, that would have been. Did anybody get a re-entry on gold? Anybody in gold? What's W's in the chat? Hopefully you guys are in profit or took profits. Let me know. Let me know in the chat, or throw it in Discord. Throw it in Discord. Hopefully you guys got something. Gave us some opportunities there for the buys. Just following my magical arrows. So far following the magical arrows. You took an L. How'd you take an L? Where are you entering? I don't know how you took an L. Like, where's your entry? Like, man, I had entry at 20, I had entry at 32.15, 32.16, 32.17, 32.18, like, I'm still in profit. Like, what? How? Why? How? I was saying, let's wait. We're waiting for a pullback. Wait. The first thing I said when I got on is wait. Wait. Wait, how? How are you on an L? I'm floating profit right now. It's playing ping pong. It's trying to go up, down. That's why you don't enter on green candles. You enter on red candles. You don't want to be scared of entering on red candles. When it was dropping and it was red, when it was hitting 19, 18, that's when I was entering. That's why I don't enter a full position at one price, because then you're just stuck to one price and you're stuck to one full position at one price. So you're gonna have to hold it till it comes back to your entry or your stop loss, right? There's no, like, that's why I don't take a full entry at one price. I'll break down my entries. You guys will see. I'll send a screenshot in Discord right now. I even closed some negative, like, that's why, like, I don't like put a full position size at one price, because the market can give me that move. Like, if I, like, let's say if you entered here and that was your only entry, it sucks. But if, like, that's why I like to scale out my entries, spread things around, layer it. People always ask me, why do I put multiple entries? Well, when gold makes a move, like, it can move $10-15. So it's also understanding drawdown control too. Hopefully you guys, you know, we get something. We were on London session too. We took buys in London. Some of you guys took a sell too. I didn't call it out, but I was analyzing the sell. I didn't take it. Should have took that sell. We caught the buy in London. Caught him catching a buy hours later. I'm on 4 hours of sleep. It would need to get above 25. If it gets above 25, then it could go lift off. But it's trying, like, this candle. This candle could sketchy candle. It would need to close and break above. Last thing you see how these wicks down. Last thing you would want is this candle to wick down again. That's why entering here wouldn't be the, like, that's why I try to get entries, like, when price is pulling, like when I got on, you saw how I was drawing, like, I was like, I see price doing something like this, or are we coming down and going like this, right, making that move up. But if it can break above, if it can hold above like 32.25, then bullish. The ping pong is still playing around, but it could try to stick. Like the swing, the trend could try to stick a bit. Interesting day though. See, scalping gold. It's having a hard time getting above that 25 level. Like, go, like, if you have trained eyes, you, I jumped on at the right time. Like, look at, like, what do you see here? Like, no indicators, just like this. Is this piece of the chart? All right, like, what, like that. Like, if you notice when I jumped on, I was quiet for a bit. I wasn't talking because I was analyzing the chart, right? I was doing my work for my trades, right? I'm taking my trades too, so I'm working for myself, right? Well, this is what I do to pay my rent, like, to pay my shit. If I want to go out and spend money, I'm gonna go. I gotta have a good trading day. Want to go fuck around, do whatever with my life. I gotta have a good trading week, a good trading day, right? So if you guys notice, when I jumped on, I was just sitting quiet for a bit, right? Analyzing, right? I was doing some lines, and I was like, you know, drawing some zones. You might have saw me put some red lines that looked like random red lines, like here and down here. Like, you know, I saw me doing that. Go back and watch the recording, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. You might have saw me draw like a little scribble here and a scribble here and a scribble here at the beginning, and I was like, okay, move on. Okay, we might get something like this. We might get something like this, right? That's this right here. That's just this up move. Like, there's this, like, all I needed this morning was to look at my phone, and then that's what I'm like, okay, I'm jumping on. All I needed to see was just this. Lower low, high, higher high. Do you see it? Can you see what I see? Oh, okay. Now we're getting generous. Thank you, gold. W session. Hopefully you guys caught it. Hopefully you guys caught it. Come on, fam. Do you see it? I mean, if you have trained eyes, you might see what I see. I mean, it's there's not much to explain about, like, do you see what I see here? It's the structure, right? It's pretty clear. If it's not clear, then you got to train your time on the charts, time on the charts, time on the charts. If it's not clear, it's time on the charts. Because this is really clear. So someone asked, remember what someone asked, what's an A1 setup? And I said, this, look what's in front of us. Like, it depends, like, it's what's in front of you. What you can spot. That's in front of you, right? Like, what's an A1 setup? I mean, for me, what's reacting, right? Reacting to price. Like, what can you spot? Not every trader might have been able to spot this, but go back and watch the first 5 minutes of the stream when it's on YouTube. When after this, go watch the first 5 to 7 minutes, and you'll literally see, like, I was quiet, and you'll see the markup I was doing. That's all I was analyzing, was this bullish breaker. You have a bullish breaker structure here, lower low, so liquidity swept, right? So, like, with the framework that's presented here, this low should hold. W's in the chat. Oh shit. You know what, guys? I might call her a day. made my money back. So I think I'm good. Yeah, I'm gonna close gold for anything I'm in. I mean, you could wait for the high to get taken out. Like I said before, if you got bigger balls than me today, you could try to see if it could stick. You just crossed over the moving average here on the 30, the 15. You're going for maybe a 30 crossover. 4 hour. Four hours bullish now. 4 hours going back bullish, potentially. W's in chat. Hopefully you guys caught it. I mean, there was opportunities there, but I hope, you know, maybe we find another entry. No. Another W session. That's 4 sessions in a row that have been profit, by the way. Every stream I've done this week has been, we've taken buys every stream. We could have took a sell on one of them, to be honest, and then we could have took a sell in London. There was one that literally I could have taken a sell easily on, but I was like, why didn't I? But it's all good. Another W day. Hopefully you guys got the trade. I did say I'm buying gold today. Shift of structure, change of character. That's your change of character there. You got. I mean, that can be on any time frame though. Like I'll show you where it is on a 1 minute. I'll show you there's some on a 5 minute. Like that was a good trade. Yesterday morning, I said I'm entering gold buys. 2 mornings in a row, and then London session we caught buys 5 hours ago. I was live. If you were live with me, hopefully you guys were there too. I mean, long day. I'm on 4 hours of sleep pretty much right now. Who got the buys? Who got the buys? DXY looks strong. No, that doesn't matter. Who cares? Gold's built. You gotta like. How often do you see me looking at DXY? Not a lot, right? Everything that doesn't like, yeah, yes and no. Yes and no. Because now DXY's moved up. Gold didn't drop on that. Now DXY's at a high. So what if DXY drops right now? Like what if DXY retraces? If DXY retraces, that's gonna push gold up more. Because if you're looking at inverse, DXY just pushed up. What did gold do? Did gold drop like this? Did it have a big drop? No. So when you're looking, like, that doesn't matter. What if dollar drops right now? Then gold's gonna fly up to 35.40, 34, then 38. If dollar were to drop right now, gold pushes up more. You're looking at the dollar pushed up. Yeah, it pushed up, but what did gold do in here? Did gold dump? No, not necessarily, right? It didn't. Gold didn't dump. So I mean, there's demand here. There's build up. There's buyers. There's like build up. Buyers maybe slowly starting to gain control. So not necessarily a bad thing that like yeah, dollar pumping, but if dollar retraces, gold could drop, right? I mean, go up. It's not necessarily like a terrible thing. You're correct, but in moments like it doesn't always matter. Like it matters, but it's not always gonna be like they can correlate together too. So it'll be like if dollar continues, what would that like? If dollar continues up, then gold maybe comes back in the range. I got out of gold, guys, and honestly, we're not gonna try to rob the same bank twice, 3 times. I mean, you could wait if it takes out this low. You could wait for 20 or 3,200. I'ma chill. You'd have to hold and try to set, forget. Maybe, you know, if you have low entries. But I got out. I'm out. Done for the day. Gonna wrap it up. That's it. Caught buys. W stream. We'll be on tonight, and then we'll be on tomorrow for NFP to see. Well, I told you guys the other day. Remember what I said yesterday morning? I'm gonna find a trade before NFP, around it, like maybe after NFP. There's probably gonna be something. I had a feeling we were gonna be trading lower, closer to NFP. Yesterday, I was saying, if you remember yesterday, I was saying like I was saying yesterday morning on this stream yesterday, we might be able to trade lower for NFP, right? Like like even now, like we might be trading lower that like NFPs tomorrow. Like yeah, if dollar push, like you're right, if dollar keeps pushing up, then yeah, like gold will have a pullback. That just came in. Yeah, I got out. Honestly, you could call it a day and wait for tomorrow or tonight. See where price is tonight. You might come back and like you're gonna either come back down and punch up, or come back down, take out the low, punch up. That's like the only bullish thing remaining. But if that doesn't stick, be prepared for it to dump down underneath this. Like if that doesn't stick and hold for the longer term, be prepared for it to break and have a big drop down tomorrow on NFP. It could dump on NFP. NFP could drop it. Like that could be. They could drop on NFP. Take everyone out. Collect like all the liquidity. Take all the stop losses out. Margin calls, whatever it is. Manipulation. NFP could easily dump still. Like we've dropped a lot, but NFP could be a situation that does drop the price. Maybe this dollar strength, like someone said in the chat, the dollar strength. Yeah, it is looking bad now. Dollar strength is kicking, and this is showing an effect to that. So it's like if bullish is gonna stick, it's, you know, still holding the low, but you gotta be NFP tomorrow. NFP could drop price. We'll be on tomorrow for NFP. We'll be on tonight too. We'll be on for NFP tomorrow to see what the market does. I feel like there'll be probably some buys, another buy setup. But I'm gonna erase these charts. I'll be on in a bit. I'm gonna wrap it up, call it a morning. Let the market calm down a bit and then maybe do another analysis. Like 4 hours at a great spot. Like if it wasn't NFP tomorrow, I wouldn't be as cautious and saying, you know what, like watch out more. Like yeah, like 4 hours in a great area, 4 hours in a great zone where, okay, yeah, there could be a swing out of here. 4 hours in a great area where there could be a big swing. I see that, but NFP tomorrow, who knows if it takes that out first, right? It could. That's like on the 4 hour, gold's trading in a good, you know, big demand zone.
Temporal talvez também não. Tem amor em me divertir, e nele a vida too much. Tem amor em me divertir, e nele a vida too much. Too much. E nele a vida too much. Too much. E nele a vida.
Alright. I'm back. See? It pulled back. That's why it's good to get out. It's not ready for the swing yet. NFP tomorrow. Might not, you know? Might not be ready for that swing. Coming back in the zone, like, you know, the low. It's all about this low here. That's basically your anchor point. You punched up. It almost came halfway back. It came halfway back. So it rebalanced like half of this move, right? That's, you know, about 50. You could see 50%. That would be 50% of that movement. So it's about that low. The fibs are black. You can probably barely see them there. So, you know, look at where prices reacted. Relatively, it could try reacting in those areas. If that doesn't hold out of here, you know, 4 hours. 4 hours in a good area, you know, on the bigger time frame. When you look at where we are on the 4 hour, low point in the week, it's at an area where it could try to go for a swing. If this area holds, you could see like there's a big 4 hour area to the left of demand support here. So it could try trading out there. NFP is a news event that happens once a month at the beginning of the month. Non-farm payroll. It's a big news event. It's a high volatile day. So I don't know if that swing out's ready yet. You know, if you've been trying for a swing the last couple days, it hasn't been there, right? It's, and I said yesterday, the market's maybe waiting for NFP or after NFP. So imagine if tomorrow NFP dumps price under here, like these lows. Imagine if we're trading lower. The same type of setup we seen this morning, yesterday morning, revisits itself lower tomorrow morning. Like what we saw today happens, like similar price action, maybe accumulation. If it dumps tomorrow, like let's say NFP dumps tomorrow, dumps price out first, could accumulate after. If it does dump out, NFP dumps, it's like midday, around the time we got on, probably reverses to end the day off. Maybe a reversal and reversal Fridays if it dumps price. Because right now it's just holding this area for now, but we don't know. Tokyo later, London. So there's like this nice 4 hour area to the left, 30, that's like right at 3,200. Closing like 3,200, getting above 3,225 would be, you know, bullish too. But for now it's like 3,200, pretty much holding. Okay. Doesn't have to, and if it could take that level out tomorrow on the news. Then you break it down to a 1 hour, you do have this engulfing candle. But you can see like break and retest there. So sellers, like we caught buys on that candle, but there would have been there's sellers and buyers on that candle. Like there would have been reason to sell here. Like you could have been like thinking break and retest here for sells. There's sells there. That's a sell setup. Now I was looking at more of the. I was looking at where we came from here though. You have that engulfing candle. You break it down. So it's that low. It's, yeah. See, like the low. It's probably gonna come back to the low. It's probably gonna come back to that low. 15's reacted a couple times. If not, you come back closer to the low. Like, interesting. It's still like holding. You have the high, the low, push up. So like we caught like these moves here. You know, could it go for that same move? Yes, possibly. It could try to go for that same move. You have to watch price. I don't usually like it's a new month in NFP, so NFP tomorrow, non-farm payroll. It's a high impact news event for anyone who's new. It's a high impact news event that happens the first Friday of every month, every new month, first week of the month. Yeah, like I still do see, like, you know, I still see like, okay, with that shift up that I was looking at originally, I still see like the same thing. If this low doesn't hold, then we'll end up having to just wait for NFP, find a setup closer to NFP or after it. Maybe something before. We'll be on later though. See where the market's at. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up for the day. London session was W's. Made some money in London. There was a good trade we caught in London. We'll see next session where the market's at. We out. We'll be on later. If you caught those trades, post in Discord. We'll find another setup tomorrow. Probably to end maybe Friday reversals. See tomorrow. I think we'll find one more trade. Probably like tomorrow, maybe like after NFP. Gotta see what it does. If it drops, then we know, like, okay, like we get an idea. If it drops, we have an idea. Like you could always, like, if the market's kind of where it is right now during NFP, you could always try to take that swing trade and see if NFP hits up. But be prepared, like it could try to drop. Like obviously everyone's gonna be looking for a swing up. Everyone's gonna be looking for gold swings right now, right? Still a lot of time for NFP, so obviously the swings could happen, but like NFP, the news could get in the way of that. Happens a lot. Because it does look like if it was right now, just a regular day, no NFP tomorrow, I'd be like, this is definitely like maybe trying to make reversals soon. Trying to like go sideways, switch over its trend. I know it could look like that right now, and then tomorrow morning it just dumps out real quick and then has a reversal. We'll see. There's still a lot of time. We're gonna look at the charts later though. I'll be back on. Peace.